Okay, so posted a picture on a Facebook group of some exhaust routing that I did, briefly describing the project as a gas turbine bike, and a lot of people wanted to see a video, so here we are. Started out life as an MCI Tornado 250. I've cut and extended the frame by about half a metre. The basic idea is this 196cc 6.5 horsepower Honda clone will be running as an auxiliary power unit, driving supercharger, compressing air through a combustor I haven't built yet into that giant Scania truck turbo, which has had the compressor replaced with a gear reduction box, which will drive through a go-kart CVT through to what is now a 420 sprocket on the back wheel. Once the exhaust exits the power turbine, it comes up through this exhaust system that I've made, and we'll need to extend a little bit. Obviously, that's the wheel at full travel at the moment, and it's not enough, so I'm going to make that a little taller. But it'll spin that turbo and then exit there into two others the same size before exiting the vehicle. Two others will compress air going into this turbo into compound setup through an intercooler, which will then run through another intercooler from here up to the throttle body, which is off a 5 litre Falcon V8 into the supercharger. The idea being that the small engine can run at full throttle 100% of the time, and the actual throttle of the jet turbine engine is regulated by that throttle body, which I'm hoping will give me some good response time opening the throttle, which is somewhat uncharacteristic of a normal gas turbine engine. Any other details you want to see, let me know.